How to make a subscription website on Wix. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, we're going to show you how you can make a subscription website, and that is for exclusive content or for selling subscription for a specific, let's say, access, and also some information maybe about the settings or the payment management for the website on Wix and how we can do it. So basically, we are going to head over wix.com, sign in for an account, and then you are going to see the site's dashboard. Once you have the access to your site's dashboard, which is going to be here or this, and also if you're going to be familiar with the Wix, you're going to see the site's dashboard plenty of the websites that you have created. And if it is going to be the first time that you're going to visit Wix or create an account within Wix, you're going to get this page. So either way, you're going to click or create a new site and you're going to get this specific page from scratch. Now we're going to get two choices. The first one is going to be trying Wix Studio. If you're going to be interested in the Wix Studio methods, you're going to head over our channel and click on the button of the channel or the name of the channel and seek for the Wix Studio videos. We have plenty of them on our channel. But in today's video, we are going to choose the second choice, which is going to be create on Wix Editor. So we are going to click on here, and then we're going to see the first welcoming message, which is going to be from Wix ADI or Wix Artificial Design Intelligence. So you're going to get the choice for answering some questions by clicking on Start Chat in here. And these questions, or based on the answers of these questions, you're going to define for Wix your website and what do you want or what do you seek for in that website. For the type of the website, the content of the website, the number of pages, and also the layout and the customization of the website in only one page. In my case, I'm going to set it up without the chat because it is going to be facilitating the things. So if it is in your case and you do not have much time, you're going to click on Start Chat. So I'm going to head over the next step now, which is going to be the manual one. We're going to type in the type of the website or the business that we want to run. For example, in here, we're going to have subscription website. We're not going to type in subscription website, but instead we're going to set up the primary type of the website. So for the subscriptions, it can be or it could be something related to something else or something related to the same topic. So we are going to have here a type of website. For example, we are going to have maybe a store to sell subscriptions. Maybe we are going to have here a blog to have exclusive content, or maybe it is going to be something that is going to be related to designs, or maybe a class or master class for something. Now we're going to have here, for example, design studio. For example, we're going to have here a design studio. We are going to validate our choice by clicking on continue. And after that, you're going to see the preparation of your dashboard. Once the dashboard is here, you're going to set up first the name of the website. So we are going to name it maybe Jax, for example, designs. And we're going to click on continue. So here we're going to set up the things or the, let's say, features that are needed into our website. We're going to offer services, sell products, maybe collect leads, share knowledge, build a community, promote myself maybe, or promote a business. So we are going to skip these and click on continue. For the Wix apps or the apps that we are going to have are going to be the Wix stores, bookings, portfolio, Instagram feed, something which is going to be necessary. We are going to discover more apps and see if we are going to see the memberships. So you're going to have here everything and nothing in the same time. We're going to see something interesting, which is going to be pricing plans, sales subscriptions, and memberships. We're going to click on here and click on continue. And with that, we have set up the first part of the website, which is going to be the dashboard. And that dashboard is going to contain everything. Now, how we can manage the website, or before that, I'm going to set up or design the website first. How we can do that. So we're going to click on design. But before I head over the design, I'm going to present for you a little bit about the dashboard. Now, the dashboard contains some of the elements at the left side of the screen, which is going to be the navigation bar. This navigation bar will allow you to navigate through the website and do a lot of things. So, for example, if you want to add a product, you're going to head over, as you can see here, catalog. We can go ahead and click on here, store, and add different products. If you want to manage your specific memberships, you can go ahead and head over the catalog again and click on pricing plans. And then you're going to see the pricing plan. So you can add here some methods, set up payment methods, and also you can upgrade to a plan that will let you upgrade or get the payment methods. So the first thing, which is going to be very obvious to have this feature on, which is going to be the payment methods. Since you are going to have a membership website or a plan, you're going to create or upgrade your plan first. Then you're going to click on create plan. Now, as you can see, we're going to see the plan name or the membership name. So you can set up these first. So I'm going to have here, for example, basic, maybe basic like that, membership, and you're going to have here the plan card changed. So we can go ahead and add the plan card. You can put here the description. And here we are going to nominate the features. For example, we're going to have here the first feature, like something of related to the basic membership. Maybe here more content than, for example, the free access or the free membership, like that. So you're going to add more, of course. So these are going to be something that are going to be mentioned. So maybe we are going to have a special events, maybe invitations. And we are going to add more like something related to the, I don't know here, let's say I'm going to have maybe contacted or free or let's say here 24 maybe, but I do not favorize these to be okay. Or we are going to put here a priority, maybe priority, let's say support. I do not like that, but it is going to be something that we're going to see on the memberships. Now, this is the membership that we can see. This is the first one. You can add more benefits, for example, for booking services and etc. You can set up the current payment of this specific membership, or you can put it as one-time payment. So you can go ahead and select the payment frequency, and then you are going to set up the length of the plan. For example, we are going to have here how many months? One. So you can go ahead and enable the free trial if you want, and also set up the limit. For the settings, you can limit it to one subscriber per customer, as you can see, or subscription per customer. So uh, here we are going to see the allow customers to cancel here the subscription and etc. You can add the policies, collect additional information, and then you are going to set up the custom thank you page. After you have set that, you're going to put, for example, here the price. This is the first, as you can see here, maybe something like this. We're going to have something added in here. So we are going to save our plan. I'm not going to enter into details, but I think that you've got the idea on how you can create your memberships. So we are going to head over the setup. Then we are going to click on design. This is the step that is going to define the type of the website. Either you are going to use a generated design with the AI, or you can go ahead and click on the custom or customize a template. So we are going to create one. So in here, I'm going to pick up a template. And if I do not like it, I can go ahead and create one with the AI. So here we are going to see the best matches. They are not going to be always the best, but they are going to be something that you're going to take advantage of. So maybe we are going to have maybe this. You can go ahead and view any of the templates before setting up as your, let's say, permanent template. As you can see here, this one is going to be something that we are going to like. I'm not going to use it yet, but I'm going to see something like here. So you can go ahead and see that we have also the mobile version, so you can go ahead and consult it and take a look if it is going to be something that you're going to be interested in. And when you see yourself that you're going to be interested in that template, you can go ahead and click on edit. So we are going to pick up the template that we have saw in here. I'm going to click on edit, and we are going to wait for the website to load up. It will not take that long, maybe 30 seconds, between 30 and 45 seconds, I think, about that. And you're going to see the different elements that you have into your website. So you can add whatever you want from the sections. You can add pages. You can also set up the payment, or let's say the subscription from here. You can go ahead and see what they are going to give you in this specific area, and etc. So I'm going to wait for the apps to be added. Here we have the apps that we have basically recommended Wix to add for us. So we are going to wait for it to finish the loading. Here we have the thing put in order. So I'm going to zoom in 100%. So I'm going to get a good idea about everything. We're going to visit the first thing, the pages, and we're going to see the Wix pricing plans, and we're going to see the pricing plans of ours. So this is the first thing that you're going to check. Basically, you're going to see here based on the plans that you have, you're going to manage the plans. Click on manage plans, for example, and you're going to see all the plans that you have. So for the settings, you can go ahead and set up the setting or customize the plans, manage them, set them up. I'm not going to use that. It is going to take a lot of time like this, but we are going to head over the dashboard and manage the plan. So this is where we have set up everything. You can go ahead and click on create plan, set up the membership of yours, and etc. We haven't saved the last time that we have checked in here. So you are going to see the plan shopping or popping in here. So basically that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you in the next one.